Hello everyone, today we'll be checking out my Windows 7 laptop. So the first thing, I'm gonna show you why I have the classic theme. Control panel. So if we go to change the theme, and we set it to arrow, it's just going to become really laggy. So we'll set it back to classic for now. Alright, so we should see how my website loads in Internet Explorer, Edge 83, Red Fox, and Supermium. Let's check out Internet Explorer first. So in Internet Explorer it doesn't load the best. It's just like super stretched out. And there's supposed to be a bit of space here, but it's not doing that. So now we'll check out Edge. In Edge it loads better, but there's still touching. And also notice in Internet Explorer, the all the links are mushed together, and in Edge, when you make it larger, it also happens there. Let's check out Red Fox. Okay, in Red Fox it loads perfectly fine because it's a modern web browser. I bet it'll load perfectly fine in Supermium. Yeah, it does. Anyway, let's close all of these for now. Okay. First thing we should do is check out some of the built-in games. Which one? Minesweeper. Volume's way too loud in my headphones. Uh-oh. Same decision. I think it's this one, and this one, and either of these two. Anyway, let's close out of it. Let's see. Oh wait, we could get like ink ball on here. Since we have PowerPoint on here, we could make a stupid little slideshow. Why Windows 7 is best Windows. Because it doesn't have any bloat. Why am I typing like this? Bloatware, Copilot, and ads, and telemetry, and forced updates. Let's make a new slide. Why Copilot? Why Copilot is bad. Copilot is bad because Microsoft shoves it in your face and it's forced and you can't turn it off. It's also bad because it doesn't have good privacy practices. Oh, it's installed already. Let's see if it's in games. Inkball, there we go. I haven't even played this game once before now, so I'm horrible at it. We shouldn't get the orange one in the blue thing down there. Only 40 seconds left. Yay! Let's play another game and we'll get done with this. Dang it. No, don't go. Dang it. I wasn't even paying attention to the blue one. It's gonna go straight into... And now it's the blue one we're having issues now instead of the orange one. Yay, Okay, one more game. This shouldn't be that bad. No, don't go into... Ah, there we go. There we go. Alright, I guess we're gonna be done with this one. We should make more slides on why Windows 7 is best Windows. Oh, and Windows 11 and 8 and ME. No, not 8 and ME are bad Windows. Next slide. Why Windows 11 is a bad Windows release. Windows 11 is a bad Windows release because it has forced updates, forced Copilot, forced OneDrive, forced Microsoft account, kind of forced Edge, etc. Also, it is not user-friendly. Why Windows ME was a bad Windows release. Windows ME crashed constantly. Unlike Windows 11, it doesn't have... Oh wait, I forgot to add forced telemetry. Forced telemetry because of internet bandwidth back then, but it's still bad. Windows ME crashed constantly. That's it for my really low effort slides. Save. Sure, let's save it there. Let's check out OneNote. Oh no, we should check out Paint. Alright, so here now we have Paint. So what I'm gonna do is change it to the spray one. Oh no. Let's see how large we can make it. That large. So now we can make like fireworks, but over white instead of dark. Alright. So now we can write longwise. No, that's way too small. We should make it really thick. And then put it in a rectangle. And now let's save our beautiful masterpiece. And then we can set it as our desktop background. There we go. This is funny. Let's make a fake, funny expenses. Expenses. This laptop. My mouse. This has to be 1 cent. Because it obviously has to be real fake, totally expensive laptop and cheap mouse. Charger. Ah, $0. That's free. Headphones. There we go. We should make this wider. Wi-Fi router. That should also be... That should be 10 cents. And I think we're done. No, that isn't how you sum it up. I'm gonna just look it up, because I don't know. B2 to B6. That's really expensive. Now let's do... Wait, how do I do it again? Equals sum. B2 to B7. B2 to B8. Alright, let's save our awesome expenses. Oh wait, there were 2 set of window controls. Let's see what they actually do. So there's this one which controls just this window inside of Excel. And then there's this one which controls this. Alright, yeah. I guess we're done. Let's see what we can do in Access. This is becoming like an Office 2010 database. Taco. 1,000... No, 1 quintillion tacos. Per... Burger. We only need one burger. And then fries. No. Put the fries in the bag. Oh, we could just do 51 of those. And then 6, 7 is 0. Actually, we should do negative this number. I don't know how to say it and I won't, but we should have that amount of 6, 7 memes. Like a negative amount of memes. Other kinds of memes. We should have that much. Why did I just do that? Alright, let's save. Awesome database. I don't know what I'm doing. Save database as. Database. I don't know what I'm doing. And then let's close. What should we do next? OneNote. Oh wait, save theme. My really awesome classic theme. Okay. OneNote. Keep track of stuff at your weird at your local Taco Bell. No. On your unsupported Windows 7 machine so you can get viruses. Our OneNote page is different. You cannot type anywhere on the page. For example, don't. There are no tabs. OneNote at work. No, you do not need OneNote at work because a simple text, plain text document is best. Their market share is we should make it say declining, but it's not. So OneNote at your weird friend's house. OneNote at school that feels like a prison. How it works. Do not watch this 1-minute video. Oh, wait. They don't actually exist. I think we've done enough fun in OneNote, so we should save it. Anyway, let's see what we can do in Publisher. Oh wait, speaking of Publisher, Microsoft's gonna retire this soon, but not this one. I don't know why Microsoft retires Publisher, but they should at least let people use it, but stop updating it instead of taking it away from everyone. Anyway, stupid Microsoft. Blake 8.5 by 11. Styles. let's see import styles. Current. It doesn't. Huh. Let's import my awesome picture and another picture and another picture, and then what we can do is add a drop shadow to all of them. What happened to this one? I don't know. Anyway, so now we can make these all look weird and stuff. Ah, that one's back. Alright, let's save. I think that's it. Oh wait, we should check out sticky notes. Hi, this is awesome wallpaper. I think you should download it if I make it downloadable. Desktop gadgets. So this would typically be transparent if we set it back to Windows 7 theme, but it's just gonna make it really laggy, so classic theme it is. Command prompt. Ver set/a. You could also use this as a calculator. If you don't know command prompt, you just learn two new commands. Accessories. What does sync? WordPad. So WordPad is just a stripped down version of Word. I'll just put them side by side so you could compare. But it's just a stripped down version of Word. So, hi, this is Word. It flags that as. So this one has spell check. Hi, this is WordPad. This one does not have spell check. We can see what they save as. So this one saves as a RTF. Wait, open document text. So so this can save as like LibreOffice format. But can Word open it? Well, where did it save? I don't know. It's saved in documents. Huh. Okay. Okay. There we go. And it opened it in here. Actually, properties. No. Alt. Is this copy of Windows legal? And it's just gonna open Supermia. 404. We have remote desktop connection, as you can see here. But we could check out all of the options, but we don't have an actual display to choose. Anyway, anything else? Why am I saying anything else over and over again? Getting started. they've changed it compared to like Vista. So I think this would usually pop open in Vista, but not in 7. I've never seen the Windows 7 one. Okay. Is this link dead? Maybe. Or maybe not. Oh, it's not a dead link, but it just takes you to here for like Windows 11 and stuff. Let's close that. Personalize. That just opens that thing. Transfer files and settings. Windows Easy Transfer. What's an easy transfer cable? I don't know. You can transfer from like a cable, a network, or a hard drive. Like yeah. Home group. Yeah. So user account control. I have it set to the maximum. Windows Live Essentials, that's probably dead. A dead link. It just takes you to the Windows 7, like, no, not Windows 7, but end of support. Anyway, backup. I'm not gonna back up for now. New users, yeah. Device manager. This is just gonna show us kind of everything we have here. Why are there a bunch of Bluetooth peripherals? Processors. Oh yeah. So we can open MS Info 32. So you can see what hardware we could have. I want to close this, please. Thank you. Trusted platform module. So TPM 2.0 is like that thing Windows 11 forces. A lot of devices don't have like TPM 2.0 and they only have TPM 1.2 or another version, so they are left out on Windows 11 and they have to be on Windows 10 and earlier. Planned obsolescence. Colors. Autoplay. Okay, I'm gonna, so this is gonna be it for the video. Bye.